For more than 4 decades, SOTEAG has continued to look after the interests of the environment around Shetland's Sullom Voe terminal and port. It is recognised globally as a pioneering world-class model of integrated coastal management based on its independent scientific monitoring and expert advice. This video will highlight what happens on the deck of the ship during the chemical and macrobenthos monitoring. The naturally beautiful coasts and seas surrounding Shetland support a rich and diverse wildlife, which deserves to be preserved. The Sullom Voe terminal is one of the biggest and most complex of its kind in Europe, with a high operational turnover. As a result, there is a potential for large and irreparable risks to the surrounding environment. SOTEAG's monitoring committee plays a key role in monitoring these risks and therefore maintains the health of wildlife in Sullom Voe. Monitoring provides an ongoing health check at Sullom Voe by evaluating the amount and significance of change and advising the Sullom Voe Association Limited whether remedial action is required. One of the monitoring programs is the chemical and macrobenthos monitoring. Since 1978, regular chemical monitoring of the coastal waters, seabed, and macrobenthos, the organisms living in or on the seabed larger than 1 millimetre, has taken place. Macrobenthic surveys have been carried out at 12 stations in Sullom Voe and Garth's Voe using a technique known as grab sampling. 5 biological samples are taken from each station to determine the species present and their abundance, as well as taking a 6th sediment sample at the same site to characterize the nature of the sediment. The chemical and macrobenthic program includes the survey of 2 soft-shore sites in Sullom Voe, which are monitored for hydrocarbons, grain size, and organic matter to understand the effect of potential pollution on the environment. SOTEAG has been producing regular reports for all of its monitoring programs since the early 1970s. SOTEAG's chemical and macrobenthic surveys are carried out biannually, and the results of these surveys can be found in the reports located on the SOTEAG website. Please visit the SOTEAG website for further information about SOTEAG and also for downloadable engagement activities.